Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so before we start our lesson today, please stand up for our opening prayer. Okay, Mr. Raymond, please share. So class, before you sit, please look under your chair and the instruction paper. And sit down. So where is the secretary? Miss Lisa. So may I ask who is the absent in this class?
I absent, sir.
Okay, very good. You are all present for today's class. So before I proceed to our discussion, did anyone remember our previous lessons? Hey, it's Gerald.
Sir, our topic is today is all about special products.
Okay, so what is a special product?
Special products are simply special cases of multiplying certain types of binomial. Together, we have three special products.
Okay, very good. That's correct. So you did remember our lesson yesterday. So class, before we proceed to our discussion, we have a short activity called puzzles. So you just need to solve our puzzle here. And I will just group you in the two groups. So here is the group 1 and here is the group 2. So I will give you the puzzle 2. So here's the group 1 and group 2. So you just need to operate to faster to solve this. Count of 3, 2, 1, start. Class, what have you observed to our puzzles? Anyone?
Teacher.
Answer. Okay, class, thank you for participation. And now, we will present our objectives. So, everyone read the objectives?
Define and appreciate the value of
Okay, thank you. So, our topic is all about the mathematical expression and mathematical equation. So, if you tell that where is the mathematical expression or mathematical equation in this two picture? Anyone?
No, sir.
No. So, we will know that in after our discussion. Did someone can tell if the mathematical expression and equation is the same? Is Naomi?
No, sir.
So correct. So everyone please read the mathematical expression.
It's a
This combination of numbers, variables, respect, mathematical operation,
times, minus, divide, and
So the examples of mathematical expression is 2x plus by. So y is full mathematical expression. So for in a meaning it tells that no equal sign. So you will know that mathematical expression when the problem is no equal. So example is 2x plus by. So this example expression. So aside of no equal, you can also change the numbers or any signs of letters. Then, so everyone read the mathematical equation.
choose
Equation
are equals to are equals sine. Use to represent the relationship between variable also for unknown values.
Thank you. So, scientific expression is all about equals or can change the letters. So, and mathematical equation is have a sign of equal. So, in mathematical equation, you can change the variables or indicators. So, if ever the negative is the number, so you need to find the number in each. So you have to in mathematical equation you have to find the substitute to find the 10. Okay, what's so do you have any questions, class?
No, sir.
Okay, since you don't have any questions, let's proceed to our activity. So our activity is follow the passage. So you need to just solve and substitute any numbers to find the passage. So here is our activity. So since we have already a group, so we will skip that group to group 1 and group 2. So here is the paper. So, okay, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pass it now. Okay, thank you. So, since we are done with our activity, we will proceed to our summary. So, okay, Mr. Gerald, please give the summary for our mathematical expression.
So about the mathematical expression here, it's all about does not contain an equal sign. And the mathematical expression is contains an equal sign.
Okay, that's great. So learn now. So we have to proceed to our assessment. So get 1% of paper, and in your paper, can you write 5 examples each of mathematical expression and mathematical equation. And now start. Okay, pass it now. Okay, good. So, class, before we go home, we have an assignment. So, for the last, can we study advanced or next topic, the solving linear equations and inequalities carefully. Let's solve it. Okay, class.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, sir.